Letter number 48. To Muawiyah bin Abi Sufyan. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Surely, revolt and falsehood abase a man in his religious as well as worldly matters and manifest his shortcomings before his critic. I know that you cannot catch what is destined to remain away from you. Many people had aims other than right ones, and began to swear by Allah that they will attain their goal, but he falsified them. Therefore, fear the day when happy is he who made his end happy by good actions, while repentant is he who allowed Shaitan to lead him and did not resist him. You called us to a settlement through the Quran although you were not a man of the Quran, and we responded to the Quran through its judgment, and not to you, and that is an end to the matter.